Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to provide your LinkedIn profile URL in your resume. Including your LinkedIn URL is a smart move, as it offers recruiters a comprehensive view of your professional journey. It allows them to see recommendations and endorsements, adding significant weight to your application. A strong online presence truly enhances your credibility, showcasing your skills and projects beyond the resume's 2 pages. Next, customize your LinkedIn URL to make it professional and memorable. A custom URL, ideally featuring your first and last name, is much cleaner than a generic one with random numbers. This simple step takes only a few moments within your LinkedIn profile settings. A personalized URL not only looks polished, but also makes it easier for recruiters to find you, demonstrating attention to detail. Now let's talk about placement. Your LinkedIn URL should be prominently displayed in the contact information section of your resume. Position it alongside your phone number and email address for easy access. For digital resumes, always ensure the link is clickable, allowing recruiters to navigate directly to your profile with one click. Use a clear, legible font size, typically 10 or 12 points, for optimal readability. Finally, some best practices. Before adding your URL, double-check that your LinkedIn profile is completely up to date and reflects your current professional status. Ensure your profile picture is professional and that your profile is set to public, so recruiters can actually view it. Regularly reviewing your profile for any outdated information ensures it always presents your best professional self to potential employers.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.